Hello guys, welcome to 5 Minute Solutions. Today we'll show you how to find friends on Spotify. So let's get started. To find friends on Spotify, first open Spotify on your mobile phone. As you can see, there is no way to find Facebook friends on Spotify, but what you can do is you can go to your profile, check your name. So you can find friends on Spotify via people's username. So if you search anyone's name, their profile will pop up and you can select the name and follow them. Like here I'm searching for my name. As you can see, yeah, my name just popped up. It's my profile. Or I can just go any random person's profile, click here. If I choose to follow, and if he follows me back, then we can be friends. So that's how you can find friends on Spotify. Hope you guys like this video. Share and subscribe to the channel. Peace.